Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky. So I haven't been so active on social media. Like I used to post 2 videos per week on Wednesdays and Sundays, but last week I haven't posted anything just because I didn't have time to sit down and film a video. Like I am missing doing this, but today I thought, okay, I have to sit down and tell you guys why I haven't been posting any videos. And like lots of you guys are sending me messages, and few of you, and mostly a lot on Instagram, knows why I am not posting and why I am not so active on social media. So thanks so much for sending me messages. And if you guys are on Facebook, if you guys are friends with me on Facebook, then you guys must be knowing why I haven't been so active. But you guys are my family too, so all my subscribers and all my viewers are my family too, so I have to share with you guys why I am not so active. And like I didn't want to share this, but like I have to share. This is what I am doing, like sharing everything with you guys through blogs. But in this video I want to just share a little bit, but I will make a separate video about all this, whatever is happening in my family at the moment. So my mom came to visit me from Fiji on 3rd of May, and like on 6th of May she was having some pain in her stomach. So like I took her to emergency department in Gold Coast Hospital, and it was a huge thing for us to know that my mom is suffering from cancer. And like it has been there for a while, but my mom wasn't aware of what was happening, and the doctors back in Fiji didn't even know what was going on with my mom. So yeah, the doctors here did X-ray, blood test, and CT X-ray, I think CT scan or MRI, everything they did. And like I will talk more about this in a separate video, but my mom is suffering from cancer now, and like her first operation has been done, which went well, and like her radiation and all chemotherapies and blood test, everything will go from here. And she's okay. She was in hospital for 10 days and she is discharged, and she is at home now with me, and I am thinking of keeping her here. She is here for 3 months. She is on tourist visa, and like it's a big thing for us, and like it's really very sad for my family. But the cancer is only in one place, which is good, and it can be removed. That's what the doctors say here, and I believe them, because the doctors over here in Australia are literally amazing. They are so good, and like they helped us so much. So I will be sharing more with you guys in my separate video, and I am like now I am taking this as like my mom will be okay, and now I have to continue doing what I have to do. This is my work. I have to at least post 1 to 2 videos, because my channel is monetized now and I am earning on YouTube, so I have to post video to earn money here. I will share more about my mom's sickness later. I will make a separate video and I will tell you guys step by step what is done. And I haven't been blogging when my mom was in hospital, but I'll try to do record some clips just because I was so in pain with my mom because she was suffering so much. So I thought my brain wasn't working that time, so I didn't think about blogging or anything, but I will share this in a separate video. So let's get to today's video. In today's video I will be doing my unboxing of my Bellabox. So this box came yesterday. It's like this. This is as usual a blue box, and I did open, and I have got no idea what's in here. Let's see. First of all, it's a card and it says Cutting Edge Beauty, and at the back it has all the details about the product. And the first product is this Style London Hydrating Mousse Matte Lipstick. So this is a lipstick by Style London, and we have been getting lots of Style London products lately in our Bellabox. So I love this brand's product, and this one is in shade Rose Wood. And let me open, and this is the shade I chose. So I don't know how the camera is taking. I'm using my old Canon 700D camera today just because my other cameras are not charged. So this is a brown shade. Let me swatch. And it's really beautiful. It's a really beautiful shade. I love it. So let me see. So it's a full size product and it retails for $15 Australian and available in stylelondon.com. So it says add a sweet pop of color to finish your look using Style London's paraben-free mousse matte lippy. So it's a matte and featuring a soft hydrating formula with added vitamin E. Each swipe will provide the perfect matte finish without drying out your lips. You will receive one of the following shades: Pink Peony, Rosewood, Red Velvet, Berry Crush. So I usually go for red and berry. Like now I just wanted to get some of the nude shades which I love wearing, and this one is Rosewood, and I love the rosy kind of shades, and Pink Peony must be good too, but I chose this when they sent me email to choose a color. So the next product is Solly Notes Roll-On Rose Deodorology. So this is just a roll-on perfume, I think, and it comes like this. And at the back it says its name here and everything. And I really love the roll-on perfumes, and it is a full size, I think. No, this is just a sample size and looks absolutely beautiful, and I love the color. Let me smell. Oh, it smells really amazing. Like, it's awesome. I love it, and I love this roll-on perfumes to keep in my purse, like all the time to use it, and literally it smells just wow. Love it. It says waltz into the cooler season as if summer never left. with a touch of soy notes. Rose is sweet, is romantic, is its packaging. The fragrance is packed with vibrant floral elegance, embellishing notes of bergamot. Bergamot. I can't say this word. Like, I used to drink a tea of this name, bergamot. It's B-E-R-G-A-M-O-T, bergamot. This is how you say it, I don't know, but lychee, yummy. Rose magnolia, I don't know. And a hint of cedar wood. That's why this smells so good. So 10 ml of this retails for $10 and available at Terry White Chemist and other places, and it also available is a 50 ml spray at selected Priceline pharmacies and priceline.com.au. So this is 10 ml, like 50 ml will be big, so this is 10 ml which retails for only $10 and you can get in Terry White Chemist, and I think mostly you can get in other chemists too. So this product will last me long just because I won't be using it for every day. Literally I got so much perfumes, so it's okay. It's good for my girls to use for school too. So the next product is Vectin Intense Eye Concentrate for Wrinkles. Oh, I think it's this one. I have got no idea how to pronounce this name, but this is for applying under eye area. I think I need this product, like, I don't know, but I think so. So this product is for wrinkles. It says here it will intensively reduce the look of wrinkles, under eye circles and puffiness. Oh wow. And this is 7 ml of sample size product, and this is how it looks. And it says here, fight the signs of eye aging for a younger and healthy looking eye area. So Vectin eye cream has been proven to reduce the appearance of lines, wrinkles and puffiness starting in just 1 week. So it says here it will reduce the appearance of lines, wrinkles under your eye area in just 1 week. So you have to apply daily, and it is a lightweight formula. So let me check. I can't apply under my eye areas just because I've got makeup on. Yeah, it smells really good. And like, look at it. I've applied here. There is no stickiness and I love the smell. And this is just a sample size product of 7 ml, and full size of this product 30 ml retails for $108 and available at selected Priceline pharmacies and priceline.com.au. and I've got no idea if it's available anywhere else or not, but like it's available in Priceline here in Australia, and I love to try and buy this product just because I love this kind of product which works like instantly in 1 week. It's really good if it works in 1 week, and if I like it I will share this in my favorites video. So the next product is Inecto Superbly Restoring Argan Hair Treatment. So it's a hair treatment, I think it's a hair mask. This is 150 ml, and this product says if your locks are in need for some TLC, a good hair treatment might do the trick. Inecto's Argan hair treatment is vegan, cruelty free and made of 90% natural ingredients. Its argan components will bring moisture and breathe life back into your hair. So I definitely need this for my hair. I've got such a stressful life now that I have to do something to my hair, my face, which like I haven't been applying any mask on my face, but it is okay because I have to concentrate on my mom now because that's important for me. And this product 150 ml retails for only $6.99, available in Priceline and priceline.com.au, and I think some other supermarkets has this product too. I am not sure, but this is a full size product. So the next product is this Dr. Lewin's Private Formula Vitamin Infused Micellar Cleansing Wipes. So this is a cleansing wipe by Dr. Lewin's, and it says, say goodbye to panda eyes with these luxurious soft vitamin loaded cleansing wipes. Stash this in your drawer, gym bag or festival kit. We know you'll love it. 30 pack retails for $7.95, available in Priceline, Chemist Warehouse and in department pharmacies. So this has only 5 wipes and it is sample pack, and 30 pack retails for $7.95. And the last product is I think it's just for trying, hydrating antioxidant day cream, replenishing antioxidant night cream. So this is just to try, and like it's packed so well. I love it. And here's the ingredients at the back. It says pure, authentic and beautifully aromatic skincare crafted without paraben, sulfites, artificial color or fragrance, enriched with botanical extracts. Our skincare is designed to nourish and enhance the appearance of your skin, just as nature intended. It looks like this. Packaging is so cool. And this is the 2 day and night cream. So this is night, this is day, and I think I will definitely love to try this, and if I like it I will definitely buy it, and if I like this product I will definitely share in my favorites video. So I have to prepare my favorites soon and post a video. I have been loving some products in my, so I will be sharing with you guys at the end of this month. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with your families and friends, and do subscribe, hit the bell notification so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah, please do pray for my mom for her speedy recovery, and I will be sharing more about her in my upcoming videos. So do subscribe to watch more, and yeah, I will catch you all later in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.